Hello, welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make just a simple orange juice with lemon juice. Refreshing, that's what I use. It depends on how my mood is and what kind of juice I want. So today I'm going to show you how I make just a simple 2-ingredient orange juice. Sometimes I mix them with a different juice. I'm going to add a little Cranpomegranate juice to it so you can see how everything mixed together, and you can add ice if you are an ice person. You can add a little mint if you like that. I don't have any mint or ice. I just like mine fresh like that, and once I did it, I put it in the fridge to cool a little bit before I drink it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. All right, so here we are. I have my lemon, then I have 2 oranges that I wanted to use, and what I do, and I have my little juicer, and this is very simple. It's very cheap to buy, and also I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this video if you are interested in this. It's very simple, cheap, you can buy to use if you don't have a juicer to use, make your juice. This is something that I use because it's just simple for me to use every time I want to make my juice or blend, do some juicing, or add it to my smoothie, anything I want to use it to do my juicing. So that's for this one. And so here we are. Just put this on tight. Then once it's tight, I have my little cranberry juice. As I said, I like to experiment things, so I have this, and I have my 2 oranges. I like to just knead them a little bit to loosen them up. That's this one. All right, so now I'm gonna take my cut, and I'm just gonna start doing my juice, and you can see that the juice starts coming out, and just go around and you can see what I'm doing, just like that. Second one. When you need the orange, it makes it easier. The juice, it comes out easier when you are trying to make the juice out of it. So that's what I use, and then I'm gonna cut the second one. If I see how much juice we have. You don't have to buy a fancy juicer. This is so simple to use. You can make this anytime you want. Alright, so once I finish with the juice, I cut the lemon, and don't worry about the seed because it's gonna stack in here. It's not gonna go into the how it's coming out. See, that's a lot of. You can use half lemon. You can use the full lemon. I am only going to use just half lemon. Alright, okay. Now that is done, I have everything, and I have my glass here. All you have to do is just drain it. You can see it's sieve everything. All the hacks that comes out, it's sieving. You can do this and pour juice. So it depends on how much juice you want. I'm gonna taste this and see. Oh wow, you can taste the lemon juice. And now this is what I do. I'm gonna Cranpomegranate juice to this. And this has definitely toned the taste down. It toned the strongness of the lemon juice. It tones it down, and now you can taste the orange, a little bit of lemon, and then the pomegranate have the whole taste too. So now with this, you can add ice to this. For me, I can drink this like this because I'm not an ice person, or I can just put this in the refrigerator and let it cool down probably for an hour, and I just enjoy. You can add a mint to this if you want, and it depends. It's your choice, whatever you want to add to it. For me, I like to experiment juices and add things together. So that's how I came up with these 3 ingredients: 2 oranges, half cut lemon, and then Cranpomegranate juice, and that is just a half cup. And I mix it all together, and you have a cool, refreshing juice for the afternoon, for the morning if you want, even in the evening. After you have your supper, you can have this. So that's all I want to show you today, and I hope this helps you in any way. And try this and let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how, when you try it, what kind of taste you get. Did you like it? Just leave it a comment in the comment section below for me to know how you enjoy it. If you have any taste for it, or if you even make your own, add something else. You can add a different juice to this if you want. Just mix it up and see how it comes out. For me, I like to experiment. So that's the end of juice making, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and as always, thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you on my next smoothie or juicing experiment. Take care. Bye bye.